Good morning, friends. It's Lee, and welcome back. It is a extremely rainy day today in my area, and when it's raining around here, my kitchen needs cleaning. And I invite you to come join me on my video today. Come on in, friends. Grab a cup of coffee, and I got some extra gloves around here because I certainly could use a hand. Oh, we can never have too many hands when we're cleaning the kitchen. I'm not doing any heavy duty cleaning today. I'm just doing some basic dusting and wiping down and polishing and just things of that nature around here. So, I hope you're having a fantastic day, and I am so excited that you decided to join me today. This is going to be maybe about 18 minutes long. I'm new at this, so I'm learning as I go to condense this down. And I'm getting there, girls, so just hang in there with me. I'm just polishing here, just polishing the kitchen table. This is where we have our meals, so I usually do this every day, every other day, as often as it needs. But I'm just, like I said, just doing some polishing and going to be touching up and cleaning counters and doing just a bit of cleaning. But I know on this extremely rainy day when I'm stuck in, I try to get some cleaning done to enjoy the spring days when they do arrive next month. And I'm certainly ready for spring, as I hope we all are. Um, but come July and August, we're going to want this rain. So I'm thankful for my blessings, and will accept this rainy day and just get my house clean. So when I do get out on pretty days, when I can go shopping and go walking, um, I'll have everything all nice and clean, hopefully. So hope you're doing the same if it's rainy in your area. Um, so just sit back, like I said, enjoy your coffee. Join me, and we're going to clean this place together. I'm cleaning my microwave with Windex. I always use that on the glass. That's what I'm doing today. And then I'm switching over to the peppermint. Peppermint is supposed to be very invigorating, so I should really seriously be moving faster than what I'm moving, ladies. But anyway, I enjoy the peppermint during the holidays, so I'll get to that in just a moment. But that's what I'm using today. But I always use the Windex for some reason in the microwave unless I'm doing a heavy cleaning. Today I'm just doing a wipe out. So um, I'm breathing peppermint, ladies. Okay, ladies, onto my stove. And I use today to clean my stove and do the rest of my cleaning. I use the Mrs. Myers peppermint that I had left over from the holidays. So I wanted to use that up. So I'm finishing, it's just about empty. So that's what I'm using to clean the kitchen with today. I do use Windex for my microwave and the glass, but the rest of it, like I said, I'm trying to use this Mrs. Myers peppermint left over from Christmas so I can get that used up, and it's just about empty. So if I don't finish it off today, um, it will be soon. Okay, on to my fridge. Ladies, what I'm using to clean my fridge, and I always clean my fridge, my stainless steel with this Therapy Clean stainless steel cleaner. It's a cleaner, it's a polish, it does not accept fingerprints, and that is a big plus for me. I love this on my stainless steel appliances. It has lavender oil in it. When you order it, when I ordered it, comes with a microfiber cloth, and I do purchase this from Amazon. It's the only place I've been able to find it, and I'm very thankful that I ran across this product on Amazon. Like I said, it resists smudge prints when you touch the fridge. Um, if you know how men are, they're always touching the side or blah, blah, blah. But just daily use. I use it on my dishwasher, the bottom of my range, my microwave. I don't think I did it today, but I use my Windex actually just to kind of clean the glass and all. But this stuff is fantastic when it comes to stainless steel. And I'll link it below um, the description in the description box. It's Therapy Clean Stainless Steel Cleaner and Polish with lavender oil. Ladies, I thank you so much for keeping me company today and watching, coming back to my channel. And I apologize at the end, cleaning video was a bit shaky. My kitchen is quite large and it was kind of hard to get around my big island, but I apologize for it being a bit shaky, but I'll improve over time. So hang in there with me, ladies. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, I invite you to hit the subscribe button and come back to visit me. And remember, I do upload videos every Thursday, so I hope you'll come back and visit me again. And I thank you today for watching again from the bottom of my heart. I thank you for your time. And as I always say, ladies, go out and make today better than yesterday. And just remember that I love you.